Hi everyone. So it finally decided to get cold out here in Texas. It even snowed a little bit this week and I was really inspired to do this cold girl makeup I've been seeing all over my For You page and on Pinterest. So today I'm gonna be using this particular makeup that I saw on Pinterest as my inspiration. She has this beautiful matte skin, glossy lips with rosy cheeks and very bright inner corners. So that's what we're going to try to achieve today. So yeah, let's get started. Let's just put this hair away from my face first. Let's just start by moisturizing my face because it is super dry out here. And I'm gonna be using this Farmacy Halo Moisturizer. Look at this. This is pure luxury. That's genius whoever thought of this. So I'm going to just scoop a little bit and then moisturize my face with this. And for my lips, I'm going to be using this Ciate London Smiley Lip Mask. It smells so good. So the first thing that I'm going to use is this Maybelline eraser. This is in shade 160, which is a pink shade that has been viral in TikTok. So I'm just gonna color correct with this under my eyes, and also it helps brighten my under eye area as well, which is a real essential for this makeup look. God, the issue with this product is it doesn't come out. Here, I'm gonna just tap it underneath my eyes with my fingers. Yeah, and now let's move on to the foundation. And for the foundation today, I'm gonna be using this REM Beauty foundation because this foundation is a little bit light on my skin, and for the I am cold makeup look, a pale skin is perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna just use this foundation, put it on my mixing palette and then I'm just gonna blend it in my skin. I know I look like a ghost right now, but trust the process, it's gonna come together in the end. Next, I'm gonna use this neon pink Juvia's Place blush right under my eyes, also a little bit on my nose, on the tip of my nose, right where usually we get cold. Maybe a little bit here as well. This is just going downhill. Okay, trust the process, trust the process, trust the process, trust the process. I think it's pretty blended now. And next I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Concealer. And the reason I used my blush before my concealer is I anticipated that something like this might happen. So you gotta think sometimes. See, that looks a little bit better now, right? Now that the concealer has blended pretty well, I'm gonna set my under eyes using this brand new powder that I got from Huda Beauty. This is the viral Cherry Blossom Easy Bake powder. And I'm gonna just bake under my eyes ever so slightly. I'm just gonna use this. Oh my god. I'm gonna use this dirty ass powder puff. Oh, is that too much? Oh no. It is not as pink as I thought it would be. Just looks white. And I'm gonna just let it sit under my eyes for a while. And whilst it's baking, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And for my brows today, I'm gonna take this Rare Beauty, what's this? Brow Harmony Precision Pencil. It's brand new. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, focus. Well, anyway, it's brand new. And I'm gonna just fill them in a little bit and try to shape them a little bit as well, because my brows are a bit weird. One is it's like not even cousins, they're like friends. Yep. Now time to brush this under eye bake off. To do that, I have a technique. I just dip my brush in compact powder, and then I just tap that in my skin, and it does not disturb the concealer underneath. Yeah. Dab it in the powder and then tap it. Not bad at all. I thought it would be just pink in your face pink, but no, it's not. It's good. I like it. And next, for the blush, what better blush could it be other than Kylie Winter Kiss blush? Such a beautiful, pretty pink color. So yeah, I'm gonna just use a little bit of Kylie blush, and then I'm gonna just tap it wherever I put that cream blush earlier. Oh my god, I have not looked this blush before, and I really look like I'm frosty and I'm cold, you know. Just blush to the max, maybe a little bit under my lips, over my lips. Well, just apply a brush everywhere. I don't think we usually use bronzer in winter, do we? Bronzer is for sun-kissed glow, and winter is no sun. So should I use bronzer or skip it? Well, I'm just gonna use a little bit. A little bit won't hurt. Not much at all, not much at all. And always remember, tap your products, not rub it just like I did. Don't do that, because you see, you get a patchy skin right there. Always tap your products. I think I'm pretty happy with how the base is looking. Now next we're going to move onto the eyes, and for the eyes I don't want to do anything, just keep it real natural, but add a little bit of this pinky thing. This is the Sephora color shifter palette, and I'm just gonna use this pink and brown color and just put it on my crease a little bit to make it look like I'm frosted over there too. Frosted? What do you say? Cold? Blood rush? Yeah, blood rushed on my eyelids. That's too much. Yeah, that's way too much. I'm just gonna use this brush and then blend it out. Yeah. And next for the eyeliner, I'm gonna use this GXVE tattoo liner, and I'm gonna not do a full wing, but just a little bit baby wing on the outer half of my eyes. I think I'm out of this eyeliner as well. I'm gonna curl my lashes now. Should I do lashes or just leave it like this? We'll see. Well, now that my eyelashes have been curled, I'm gonna just put this mascara on. Wow, look at the difference. This looks so open and fresh, and this is like lazy. I think I'm gonna just leave my lashes looking like this because I'm pretty happy with how it looks. You know, everybody has a good eye, and for me it's this. This always does its own thing, and this always cooperates. Now, next part is the most important part in this makeup tutorial, which is frosted inner corners. And for that, I'm going to be using this NYX Jumbo Shimmery Eye Pencil. Sorry, I can't pronounce words today. I'm just putting it on my inner corners, making it look very icy. Ooh, that looks so pretty. And maybe just a little bit right underneath my pupil. And I don't put mascara on my under eyes because I don't like how it looks, but if you do, you do that. And for my lips, first I'm gonna use this LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner and just line my lips. This is a very rosy, nudie, pinky shade, so I'm just gonna line my lips with this shade and then go with a lighter pink color in the center. Yeah, filling color, I'm gonna use this Sephora Soft Matte Lip Color. I'm liking how the lip looks. Should I add a gloss or no? Should I do this gloss, or just leave it like this? Choices. Let's just add a little bit gloss. Yep, that's it. Let's just accessorize a little. Let's get the true feel of this makeup look. I have a perfect thing. Oh my god, how do you wear this? Oh my god, looks amazing. So this is my version of I'm Cold Girl makeup, and I am really loving how it looks right now. I'm really proud of how it turned out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.